Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to set the voltage jumpers in the IQ2020-77119 heater relay board and the 77087 motherboard. Before we get started, let's go over the tools you will need. Tools you will need: needle nose pliers. Step 1. Locate the voltage jumper at J302 on the motherboard. Step 2. Locate the voltage jumper at J8 on the heater relay board. Step 3. Make sure the voltage jumper on the heater relay board matches the voltage jumper on the motherboard. If the motherboard is set to 12 volts, change the heater relay board to 12 volts. In this case, the motherboard is set to 12 volts. The original Invensys motherboards operated at 18 volts. When installing a heater relay board on an original motherboard, set the voltage jumper to 18 volts. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.